Hey everyone, I'm Sid. Welcome back to Sid's Knowledge Hub. Today we're diving into the top 5 budget smartphones of 2025 that offer flagship-level features without the flagship price. Let's jump right in. Starting with number 5, we have the Redmi Note 14. This phone combines sleek design and powerful performance in one package. Key specs and features include a 6.6 AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor, 8GB RAM, and 128GB of storage. You've got a 64MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro shooter, plus a 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging. Hidden gems? It has an in-display fingerprint sensor and an IR blaster. Opera Mini is pre-installed, offering an advanced data saver mode that reduces data usage by up to 90%, perfect for limited internet users. And the built-in ad blocker ensures faster, cleaner browsing with minimal distractions. Pricing? It's PKR 54,000 in Pakistan, Rs 18,000 in India, $199 in the USA, AED 730 in the UAE, and SAR 750 in Saudi Arabia. Next up at number 4 is the Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro. This phone blends style with performance effortlessly. Key specs and features include a 6.7 AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro processor, 8GB RAM, and 256GB of storage. For cameras, you have a 50MP main lens and a 2MP depth sensor, plus a 16MP front camera. The 5000 mAh battery supports 33W fast charging. Hidden gems? The customizable back panel with an LED notification ring is super cool. It supports Opera GX Mobile, the browser designed for gamers. Limit RAM and data usage for steady gaming. And GX Corner gives you access to free games, deals, and game news. Pricing? It's PKR 62,000 in Pakistan, Rs 20,000 in India, $250 in the USA, AED 920 in the UAE, and SAR 940 in Saudi Arabia. At number 3 we have the Google Pixel 9a. This is the ultimate choice for camera lovers and clean Android fans. Key specs and features include a 6.1 OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, the Google Tensor G4 processor, 8GB RAM, and 128GB of storage. The camera setup has a 64MP main shooter and a 13MP ultra-wide with a 13MP front camera. The 4600 mAh battery comes with 30W charging. Hidden gems? You get guaranteed 7 years of Android updates, exclusive features like call screen, magic eraser, and live translation. Opera for Android runs smoothly, with a free built-in VPN for privacy and a personalized AI-powered smart newsfeed. Pricing? It's PKR 136,000 in Pakistan, Rs 45,000 in India, $499 in the USA, AED 1,830 in the UAE, and SAR 1,850 in Saudi Arabia. At number 2, it's the Moto G Power 2025. This one's for users who demand unbeatable battery life and rugged design. Key specs and features include a 6.6 LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a Snapdragon 695 processor, 6GB RAM, and 128GB of storage. The camera setup features a 50MP main lens and a 2MP depth sensor, with an 8MP front camera. The massive 6000 mAh battery supports 30W fast charging. Hidden gems? It has IP69 water resistance and wireless charging support. The Opera browser is battery optimized on this model, letting you browse for hours with minimal power drain. Reader mode and night mode make it ideal for long reading sessions. Pricing? It's PKR 86,000 in Pakistan, Rs 26,000 in India, $299 in the USA, AED 1,100 in the UAE, and SAR 1,120 in Saudi Arabia. Finally, at number 1 we have the Xiaomi Redmi 13, the true king of budget smartphones this year. Key specs and features include a 6.79 FHD plus LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra processor, 6GB RAM, and 128GB of storage. The camera setup boasts a 108MP main lens and a 2MP depth sensor with a 13MP front camera. The 5000 mAh battery supports 45W fast charging. Hidden gems? MIUI 15 with RAM extension up to plus 6GB and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Opera Mini makes this phone even more efficient. with turbo mode to load pages faster on slow networks and an excellent download manager for handling files offline. Perfect for students and travelers. Pricing? It's PKR 45,000 in Pakistan, Rs15,000 in India, $169 in the USA, AED 620 in the UAE, and SAR 640 in Saudi Arabia. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Sid's Knowledge Hub. More tech insights coming your way soon.